Hello friends, I'm Kristie Marcotte. I'm starting a new video series called Use Your Crafty Stash. I plan on using products that are already in my craft room. They're not brand new, but I'd like to finish them off. Most of the videos will be using up partial paper pads like this one I'm showing you here. Some videos I may use stamps, dies, stencils, embossing folders, products that I've purchased and just never got around to using. Many of the products I'll use in this series are no longer available, but I will link any products that are still available in the description box below. I'll be sharing the videos in real time, so these are not sped up videos. I'm also not planning on doing voiceover for most of the videos in this series. Summer is just around the corner and my daughter will be out of school soon for the year. And sometimes it's really just nice to take a little break from doing voiceovers. So this is my first video in my Use Your Crafty Stash series. And I decided to pull out some Patriotic papers from Doodlebug Design. And I don't know if you can see the date on this paper pad, but it's 2013. So it's 13 years old. I really need to finish off this paper pad. And if you saw earlier, I really don't have a whole lot left over. Doodlebug's similar collections usually all coordinate together. So for ephemera, I'm using their Land That I Love. This is the odds and ends, and this is from 2020. The sentiment I'll be using is from Jaded Blossom. It's their God Bless America set. I have the stamps and coordinating outline dies, and these are still available. My main goal for this series is to use up some older product and also cut down on a little bit of editing time for me. So for this series, I'm not planning on writing coordinating blog posts. If I use any card sketches for inspiration, you'll see them on the screen, and I'll have any products that are available listed in the description box below. In some of the videos, I may only make one card. In other videos, I might make several. I'd love to know your thoughts on this series. Is this something you think you would enjoy? Is there something you'd like me to change? Let me know in the comments. I can always do something a little different in the next video of this series. I love using new products from all the amazing paper crafting companies out there, but sometimes it's a good reminder to use what you have. And don't worry, I'll still be sharing lots of videos using new products. But hopefully with this series, it'll encourage you to shop around in your own craft area. See what you already have. Maybe you could finish something off, or you could pull out a set that you've never used before. For the rest of the video, I'm adding some music. Remember, if you don't care for the music, you can always mute it. I am limited on what music I can add to my videos due to copyright laws. Please let me know what you think of the new series in the comments below. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video.